Hi, my name is Jake with Walser Nissan Wayzata, and today we're taking a deep dive into Nissan Connect Services. Alright, well here taking a look inside the app of the Nissan Connect Services, a couple of things you're greeted with right away. Of course, it has a satellite-based remote start for your vehicle, a little bit better range than the key fob that we give you. Of course, you have the capability to lock and unlock your car, and some of the premium features in here. Of course, since it is satellite-based, you can locate your car, which is super helpful if you do any sort of shopping and need to locate your car. Next one, because they have the vehicle status in here, you can always check up-to-date information on your vehicle, such as tire pressure monitoring systems, any sort of maintenance, engine, oil life, what your brakes are at, all of the nice maintenance features that would be good to have when keeping your vehicle up to date. Well, thanks again for watching the video today. If you want any more information on Nissan Connect Services, feel free to visit us here at the dealership or online at walsernissanwayzata.com.